Good evening, second grade families. We are so excited you are here tonight. Thank you so much for coming to join us. Your second graders are very excited about sharing with you what they've been learning in art class. And tonight we are going to be using our words since our focus is books. And we're going to be creating a piece of art that you can hang in your home and in this family we're, and you're going to be placing some different adjectives to describe your family that we have given to you as an example. We got lots and lots of choices. First things first, we need to make sure that we have our color sticks. You need to make sure you have your paper. You need to make sure you have your glue stick, and of course your words that you're going to be using for it. So notice that Mrs. Val is starting by outlining where she would like to color. This is really important. She tells you to do this all the time in art class because you are focusing on where you want to color. So you don't get out of the lines, you're giving yourself a good starting point. And I want you to also notice that she is using value. So the color sticks are like the inside of a colored pencil, but look like a crayon. And the reason we're using these today is because we want to be able to use that value, and we're able to color faster, fill in the area more because of course we want good craftsmanship, but then we're also able to make it darker. So see how Miss Val is using her color stick a little bit harder towards the center, and she's going to start making it lighter as she goes out to create that value. And I know you guys have been learning that in art class. So we're using that to create that value. Now, boys and girls, you can use as many or as few colors as you would like. Maybe each one of your family members picks a spot. Maybe you want to do a bunch of colors in one spot. You don't have to make each one just one color. Maybe you decide that you want to do a rainbow. Maybe you decide that you want to do the same colors. Have everybody take a choice. Remember, this is a family activity. Not one person's doing this. Everybody's working together to create their own family piece to hang in the house, maybe on the refrigerator. Maybe you decide to frame it. But you're going to be using value no matter which one's yours. And you're going to make sure you have that darkest to lightest. Okay, now take a look at our craftsmanship poster while Mrs. Val is continuing with that. She is going to take out her final piece, but notice that her final piece, she doesn't have any white spots, right? So notice that she's on level 4. She's on level 4 craftsmanship, and that's what Miss Val's expectations are of you in the Lake George art room. So that's what we expect you to show your parents today, that there's no white space. Notice she liked to color in the middle as well. Now that you've got it all colored in, you're then going to decide on your adjectives, right? You're going to decide. Now notice Mrs. Val is deciding. We're going to read them together, and then you're going to decide which ones describe your family. No one's going to have the same ones because everyone's family is different. Maybe you decide to put a whole bunch. Maybe you decide to just put one in each little section. Maybe you decide to put 4 in each little section. Maybe each section is for one person in your family and you do 3 of those. There's no limit.